The beef is... Oh my god. What's up, guys? We made it to the land of sushi and confusion.
And ramen.
And what?
Ramen.
And ramen. Yes, we're having a debate right now whether we're gonna, the first thing we're gonna eat here in Japan is ramen or sushi, but we gotta get the train first. That was not an easy process through the airport, but we're here.
So, kind of made it to the hotel.
That was so confusing. We got on a train, it was going in the right direction, and then it stopped, people got off, and then it just started speeding backwards. Look at the view right here.
We're going on the 25th floor because they said the lobby is on that floor. Right there.
Anyway, we made it after changing trains 3 times.
I'm so ready to eat. Are you?
Ready.
Oh. Wow. That is incredible.
Oh look, Mount Fuji. What do we decide on?
We are heading to ramen.
Because it's
ramen.
cold.
Because it's cold, so we need something hot.
Sushi's not gonna cut it. It's colder than we thought, I think.
Look at my hand. It's like freezing. Ultraman.
This has got to be it. There's a line, that's a good sign. Alright, the line is getting super long. Bunch of people here. And it's 10:58. My guess is they open the door at exactly 11 o'clock. What's that? Yep. As predicted.
What do I mean? Oh wow. Alright.
So this is the one we got. It says eating it normally, and then halfway through add the ginger. I guess it's ginger.
Oh really?
Yeah, and unpolished rice vinegar and black 7 flavored spices. I like these little things. It's so cool. I'm gonna put that in the soup, right?
You hungry?
It's good. All done.
Still have a little bit left. Evidence of delicious food.
Wow. First meal in Tokyo. How do you rate it?
I rate it 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? Wow. I don't know. I think I like pork ramen better. That's chicken ramen. It's pretty amazing how they can get it so creamy with just
It's
chicken.
not common.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever had chicken ramen before. And I don't know how I feel about Charlie Puth on repeat, like 4 times the exact same song while we're eating, but good ramen. Look at the line back there. It's crazy.
So Luke's got a new
I bought a jacket.
down jacket.
It's called And Wander. You need to clean your screen.
It's okay. It's real. Took him 2 hours to pick between 2 colors, yellow and black. So
I got black because I'm basic. Is it too puffy?
no, I like it.
The human centipede art piece.
What did you just call it?
Otherwise known as the Ginza butt sniffer.
Maybe I want to be the one like the
yeah.
way from. Yeah, that's what I mean.
Just have my butt sniffed. No
That
sniffing
one
of
looks like
the-
you. Look at this ancient style clock. Welcome to our small, tiny,
Our
cozy room.
college dorm room.
College dorm. That's a nice description.
Oh,
Well,
nice
not
view.
a lot of artwork though.
Look at the view. Oh my god. Wow.
Wow. Actually, I'm not regret that we not upgrade.
No.
Look at that. Wow. Ooh. I like these. So, Mr. Luke,
So
what are
short.
you taking to eat
We're going to eat fried beef.
This is my ankle for you.
My neck is broken and I have bad posture.
We're going to have
so
fried
short.
beef. I'm excited.
Underground fried beef.
So I'm getting this one color. And look at this one. But of course, look at that. I'm hungry.
So it's got a little layer of crispy, deep fried breadedness on the outside, but then it's still completely rare on the inside, so that's why you gotta cook it. It's good with wasabi.
It's really good with Shall we look? Finally. That's the way you say it. It's delicious.
All right, time to kick Mink's ass. Okay, I don't know what to do. Just click okay. Oh, now click okay again. Go over. Let's do this one. Most difficult.
Okay. What do we need?
Pedal to the metal. You gotta race. What are you talking about? Okay. Don't use the brake. There's no need for the brake. And I think this, I don't know if this does anything, but okay, let's go. Oh yeah. How does it feel to be a loser? Versus a bank robber. No, maybe the higher versus dinosaur. Here you go.
I'll score that.
107.5.
Wow.
Are you still alive, Ming? Oh, you died. Stage not clear. We lost our money. 107, I got 0 on the second one. How did I get 0? I broke the machine. Yellow or pink? Yellow?
Yellow. I think it looks kind of steam. So
No,
shabby.
I think yellow.
Need a lot of concentration.
Okay, this is where we're ready.
Alright. It's okay, it's not the end of the world. So, we assume that this one is easy because the only one left smiling for us by himself. What do you think?
I think I have no more money. So we popped into the tiniest little izakaya here in Moide Yokocho.
What?
Actually, Piss Alley.
What is it?
Piss Alley.
Which is the second class, actually. Third one.
It's a video.
Oh.
So Mink just starts spraying her pants with this, and I said, "What is it?" And she hands it to me, and it is a deodorant spray of an effective professional specification to the anxious smell. Of course. Okay, we're out after a day of filming. God, you're too short. Yeah, stand back there. And we're heading to have dinner at a cool izakaya. Also, Ultraman. Mink. Not gonna get the whale. But everything else looks good.
Yeah.
Yuzu pineapple. Fancy, there's pieces of yuzu. What did you get?
Lemon sour, my favorite.
My non-voluntary drinking partner. This izakaya is famous for their straw grilled meats, particularly their bonito though. And he's got straw like hay that he just lights a massive fire right in the restaurant, and it's smoking and searing whatever you can get. We ordered Wagyu and beef and bonito. Also, this tomato was $9.
Really small size to use my hand right here.
Why? That's the best tomato I've ever had in my life.
It's like eating custom tomato.
Okay.
Like only custom the taste.
You feel the
Good, the heat.
This restaurant is so good. The beef is, oh my god, Japanese black Wagyu beef. It is so good. You just eat it with salt, but Mink's going, okay, that's just the fat. Eat your piece. What are you doing? I'm filming you eat the piece, not slap the Wagyu fat. So from years of experience, I'm just going to show you guys how to choose a really good sake when you come to a restaurant. So you go like this. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. Just let him go. Out goes Wagyu. Shimentogawa. This is the one we will select today.
Hi.
So here's the Shimentogawa. In Japan, they like to really fill that up. But they're kind of cheating because the bottle goes in right there. Alright. What? Oh, okay.
It's not that strong, but it tastes. I don't know. It tastes like perfume.
Yeah, okay. Raw egg yolk.